Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests to my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to hide active status last seen on Snapchat. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first you need to go to Snapchat. After that you need to click settings here. And here we must turn on ghost mode on your Snapchat account. And here you can read my last active location, your location updated while you have Snapchat open. But if ghost mode enabled, your friends can't see your last active location. And that's all. This is a very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.